Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I've got a couple of quick and easy, simple DIYs that would be perfect for a winter decor. I am continuing with my black and white theme. I will link another video that I did recently for you with some more ideas, but of course you can change up the colors and tones of everything to fit your personal style. But I think I'm gonna do some accents of like black and white winter stuff as I begin to take down Christmas decor, which will still be a little while for me, but I'm just kind of getting ready for it. Also, I wanted to mention that today's video is part of the Try It Tuesday challenge hosted by Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs. Don't forget to check out her wonderful channel and the playlist in the description box below to get lots of different ideas, and I will let you know who I was inspired by for these creations as we go. For this first one, I've got this round wood hanging piece from Dollar Tree, and those little wood beads are actually from a wooden brain teaser game from the Dollar Tree. And you just cut it apart and you get a bunch of beads. And I'm going to start by filling in the hole on our wood round real quick. And we're going to be making, I'm combining for my Try It Tuesday, I'm combining inspiration from two different YouTubers, two different ideas I'm kind of combining into one. So also you can see I'm going to start by painting these legs white, and we're going to paint the wood round black, but I end up changing that in just a little bit. So let me tell you real quick who I got my ideas from. The idea for the wooden riser or pedestal is from DIY Beauty on Purpose, and she just cut some legs to attach. I decided to just use these wooden block bead things. As you can see, like on a lot of them, the holes on them are not on like opposite ends. So when using them for something like this, you just kind of have to disguise where the holes are. You'll see. But she made these really cute little pedestals and risers, and I've had this idea saved forever, but I will have her video linked down in the description box for you. And I have a lot of these little pedestals, so I was like, well, I kind of want to make one, but I don't really need one to put like a candle on or anything. But then I saw a really cute idea from Liz Moore Decal and Decor. I will also have her video linked for you, and she made a little Christmas tree scene. Actually, it was bigger than mine. It was with bigger trees than what I'm going to use, but that's where I liked both of the ideas, and I'm combining them into one. So now that everything is dry, we're going to glue on our little beads, and I just put the holes facing like the inside so you couldn't see them. And then I just decided I didn't really like, this was like too purposeful, black and white, so we're just gonna paint the legs black and make this whole piece black. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then once that is all covered, we're gonna move on to our bottle brush trees. So I have lots of bottle brush trees from the Dollar Tree, but you can get them at Hobby Lobby and Walmart, Dollar General. I would imagine you might just have some in your stash. You could probably still pick some of these up at some of those locations as well. And I'm using the white ones because I'm doing a black and white for my winter stuff, but I also included a couple silver ones. And I'm just going to create a little winter tree scene. The one that I saw from Liz Moore, Decal and Decor, she kind of had a long one, like a long rectangular piece with some larger bottle brush trees on it. But this was kind of the route that I wanted to take. So I took my inspiration from them. And now I'm wanting to add on a little bit of Mod Podge and some of that faux snow from Dollar Tree. And I started out by just kind of putting it along the bases of each tree and building upon it. I'll show you in the end how it came out. I didn't end up showing it in frame, so I left the rest of it out. But I just kept adding Mod Podge and adding faux snow, and I ended up deciding to do basically the whole thing. So for this next one, I'm using one of these chalkboard signs from Dollar Tree. It's like a little easel. I had previously painted it with, I think, antique wax. We're going to go over it with some white acrylic paint now. It comes in a natural wood. You can do this, again, any color that you want. And this one came from our host, Sammy from Unicorn Dust Design. She has, this is from a video last year. I was just kind of looking through some videos for some fresh inspiration for winter. And she used one of those like square box signs from Dollar Tree, which I thought I had on hand, but I surprisingly didn't. But I had this in my stash that I had previously painted for another project that I guess I changed my mind on or something. So we're gonna take the inspiration from her. She also used a like really pretty metal snowflake ornament from, I think she said it was from Dollar General.
But I'm just going to use one that I picked up from like in a 10 pack from Dollar Tree. I'll show you in just a second. So I got my frame all painted. I'm just kind of wiping the base down with like a damp paper towel and then drying it just because it had fingerprints all over it. And here are these white plastic snowflake ornaments from Dollar Tree. They came in a 10 pack, so I have quite a few on hand still. And I'm simply just gluing this to the center of this for just a cute little piece for like on a shelf or even a tiered tray. Both of these would be perfect little fillers or tiered tray accents. And then I have these buffalo check ribbon bows, they're bows, from Dollar Tree. They came in like a 6 pack, so I still have a couple of them on hand. And I just glued that to the corner. And this is how they both came out. I think they're really cute and pretty and go with my little black and white theme for winter. So I'm excited to use these.
All right, well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because that does help me out so much. And if you're new and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so before you leave. And once again, don't forget to check out Sammy's channel. I will have that link down below, along with a playlist for lots of other DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.